Welcome to the Harris County Engineering Permits Division tutorial. This tutorial is focused on how to fill out your as-built certificate. Let's get started. Please listen carefully to the instructions. You need to know a couple of things about filling out your as-built certificate. The as-built certificate must be filled out by a Texas-registered professional engineer or an architect. Remember, you will need to submit this certificate to postpermdocs@harriscountytx.gov. This, as-built certificate, also known as an ABC, is a pre-inspection document. It must be reviewed and approved before requesting an inspection. Let's start with this first section. Name. Here you will insert the full name of the professional engineer or architect completing this certificate. Next. Architect, engineer. Here you will indicate if the person completing the form is a professional engineer or architect. Next. Description of what is being certified. Here you will insert the project's name or type of work that is being permitted. For example, you can write new single-family home. The address is next. Insert the address of the property, as stated on the permit. Next is the development permit number. Here you will insert the assigned permit number for your project. You can find it on the right side of the permit under the project name like the picture shown here. Let's move on to the next section. Development. Add a checkmark here when verifying the minimum requirements per Harris County regulations have been met. Next is detention system. Make sure to add a checkmark only if there is detention proposed for the project. We are almost finished. This is the last part of the as-built certificate. Here, the Texas registered professional engineer or architect will provide their original seal. No Photoshop is allowed. Signature is for the legally binding signature for the Texas registered professional engineer or architect that completed this form. The date is when the form is signed and sealed. You will also add the mailing address and phone number for the professional engineer or architect. Once the form is filled out, you will submit it to postpermdocs@harriscountytx.gov. This concludes the tutorial on how to fill out your as-built certificate. Goodbye.